PJ Caring Home is a self-funded home for the mentally challenged individual who are homeless or from poor income groups. Established in June 2001, it is one of the first to adopt an open contact method, that is, allowing most residents to lead life as ordinary as possible, encouraging them to interact with society. The home was founded by Mr. Josiah Paramore, or Mr. Peru, who gained vast experience from working in other institutions. His open concept method is based on the idea that mental illness is not a disease, and therefore these individuals should not be shunned or ridiculed by the public. He hopes for an acceptance and caring public which will have an immensely positive effect on their recovery. There are currently 127 residents at the home. They live in 5 houses, all within the PJ area. For those who want to contribute for the home, we welcome them. They can donate in kind or cash. The home is looking for a bed, mattress, pillow, and food items. We also are looking for individuals or groups who can help us to renovate the bathroom, etc. Thank you. For further information, please call us at 03-7785-2997 or mobile at 016-395-7859, or you can visit us at number 1, Jalan 1/2, 46,000, Petaling Jaya. Let the beauty we love be what we do.